Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about customer review in Odoo 19 website module. A customer review is an evaluation or a feedback provided by a customer who has purchased, used, or had an experience with a product or service. So let's dive into the website module, and here you can find different products. To get the products, we can just move on to the shop. As we just move on to the shop, you can find different items over here. I would like to choose a product customizable test, and here you can see that one of the customer has just given the feedback. So by moving on to the feedback, the other customers will have the way to get of the product, that is to check the quality of the product. So based on the experience of others, the customers can easily purchase the items from here. So currently you can see that this has got one review. So if you want to just give the reviews over here, we have the customer review, and this would allow to give the customer review. Okay. Now let's say we want to add the satisfaction level over here with for money. So if you want to just give the other review here you can just give that. So once it's been set, you can find the review as this person is giving, Michelle Admin is giving one of the, it will be only calculated as one review. And here you can see that if you want to add any emojis and everything, you can add that. If you want to just edit this, you can easily edit that. If you want to save the one, you can just click on enter to save. And if you want to just go with more actions like attaching the files and all, you can also just do that. Now we have the option to make it as favorite, which means we are just making it as important, or if you want to just copy the links, we can also do that. Now if you want to see how others is going to just give the review, you can just log out from the user Michelle Admin, and let's log in as the other user. So let's say I would like to log in as a demo over here. Now let's log in as demo. And let's move on to the website module. So as we just move on to the website module, here you can see that we can just move on to the shops. And let's consider the product customizable test. And here you can see actually it will be calculating as two review. So even if we have just logged in into one account and have provided multiple reviews, the number of reviews will be counted over here. And if this person want to just give the review, he can also just set the review over here. Great product. So let's give the review over here. And here you can see, you just need to refresh this. And here you can see that the review is just been updated over here. So it's a way for customers to share their opinions, experience, satisfaction level, and this feedback can be either positive or negative or neutral. So that's all for today. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.